In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send calendar invite Outlook. Whether you're on the desktop app or Outlook on the web, the process is nearly the same, and by the end, you'll be confidently sending polished invitations that your attendees can accept with a single click. First, open Outlook and head to your calendar. Look for the small calendar icon along the lower left side of the window. Clicking this switches you from email to your schedule view, which makes it easy to see your availability at a glance. Next, start a new event. In the upper left corner, select New Event. Some versions label this New Meeting, but it opens the same Compose window where you set everything up. You'll see fields for the title, attendees, time, location, and a large description area. Give your meeting a clear, specific title. Instead of something vague, write a name that tells invitees exactly what to expect, like a project update or client review. Avoid putting any sensitive information in the title since it's visible in most calendar views. In the Invite Attendees box, begin typing the names or email addresses of the people you want to include. Outlook will suggest contacts as you type, so you can quickly select the right individuals. If you're inviting people outside your organization, type their full email address. Take a moment to double-check spelling to ensure the invite reaches everyone who needs it. Choose the date and time that works best. You can click directly on the desired time slot from your calendar or manually set the start and end times. Make sure you're looking at the correct time zone, especially if your team spans different regions. A concise meeting duration helps people plan their day and improves attendance. For the location, enter a physical room if you're meeting in person. If you're meeting online, use the built-in toggle to make it a Teams or Skype meeting, depending on what's available to you. Turning this on automatically adds the join link and dial-in details to the invitation, so participants have everything they need. Use the description area for the agenda, objectives, and any links or documents people should review beforehand. A brief agenda makes it clear why the meeting matters and keeps everyone on track. When everything looks good, click Send. Your attendees will receive the invitation by email, and it will appear on their calendars. As people respond, you'll see their acceptance status update in Outlook. That's it. Thanks for watching.